Brad Williams, Excel Prime. The answer is yes. You can enclose the various old school stuff into new school. What am I talking about? Show text between parentheses, quotes, and X. Here, you can use text before, text after. I have to applaud Microsoft software engineers because this is brilliant. This was a lot of work. I've said all along, in terms of calculation, Excel was brilliant. It's all this other junk that makes life challenging. This is just, it's a time saver. And I applaud that. But on the other hand, if I try to show you other tutorial on the old school method, in other words, that was lesson 3062, I can't do it because of this system will only allow one sheet to be open at a time in this configuration. Now, I know I probably can open up a new tab or open up another instant of this OneDrive. But as it stands right now, if I have 4 different worksheets open, your SOL, when they're open side by side, Excel in this free version won't allow you to view other worksheets. And again, thumbs down to this online thing. I think it's pathetic. Moving on here, sentence with quotes. Notice we have Peter Piper. Just fantastic. Then last, X or X, case insensitive. We're picking up any information between the X's. Look how simple it is. Text before, text after. Then you have to follow the arguments. And I'm going to leave that up to you. I went through text before. I went through text after. Now they're nested. You're going to go, well, that's a little different. Break it down piece by piece. Read the narrative. Get rid of the text before in the argument. Then start adding the various arguments and the transformation. In other words, the information that you're trying to manipulate and piece it together microscopically. Spend some time on this. It looks complex, but hey, you can go back to the old school stuff. Or, for example, we can go in, it's your choice. You can spend a little time piecing this together, or we can go back here and there you go. You want to deal with this? You should. Or you can deal with this. Flip a coin, your choice. I think you should know both. You should familiarize yourself with this old school stuff. Why? Like I said, feed it. I'll say it again. You're putting 100% reliance on this company and on this application, this platform. All your eggs in one basket could create some kind of chaos. I'll leave it at that. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.